How to apply for a personal loan in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, you need to ensure you have an eligible checking or savings account with Fifth Third Bank in good standing. This is required if you want to apply for a personal loan online. Next, go to the official Fifth Third Bank website and log into your online banking account. If you are eligible, you will see the personal loan option available to you. Click on it to start the application, then fill in your personal and financial information, including how much you want to borrow, the loan purpose, and how long you want to repay it. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid delays. After that, upload or submit any required documents such as proof of income, employment information, and identity verification if asked. The bank may use your credit profile and account history to make a decision. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive a confirmation and the bank will start processing your request. The approval process is typically quick, and in many cases, you will get a response within a few business days. If approved, you will be given the terms of the loan including the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any fees. Review everything carefully and accept the offer to proceed. Once you agree, the loan amount will be deposited into your account. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for a personal loan in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.